Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the headphones have some charge and are ready to pair. This prevents dropouts during the process. Once done, press and hold the power or dedicated pairing button until the LED or voice prompt shows pairing mode so the headset broadcasts. Then open your device's Bluetooth settings and enable Bluetooth. This lets your phone or computer scan. Make sure you're within a few meters and pause other Bluetooth connections so the signal is clear and pairing succeeds quickly. Next, you'll pick the headphone entry from the scan results. Selecting it initiates the secure link. If the device asks for a PIN, enter the commonly used code or accept the request. This authenticates the connection and prevents accidental pairings. Once connected, the system configures audio profiles like music and calls. This is why you should play a short audio clip to confirm stereo sound and microphone routing. If you plan to use multiple apps, make sure the correct audio output is chosen in each app. To finish, set the headphones as your default audio output so calls and media automatically route there. That saves manual switching each time. You should test both a music track and a phone call to confirm microphone and playback levels, then adjust volumes on both devices. If the headset supports firmware updates or renaming, apply them now to improve compatibility. If something goes wrong, unpair and restart both devices. This clears stale profiles and often resolves stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.